send a message, which is that here in Indiana, we think people should work together. That's our tradition. Is we are conservative, but we're also common sense. We're focused on results, and I think that's what we want in a senator, and I hope to fill that role.
We're thrilled at the message of getting this economy turning around, being the 51st vote to repeal Obamacare. That's the message we've been carrying for months and months, and I think people are ready to respond to that message.
Now, both candidates say they are ahead according to their own polls. Another hot race, of course, is the state superintendent race. Democrat Glenda Ritz, a teacher at Crooked Creek Elementary School in Washington Township, is challenging our current leader of Indiana schools, Dr. Tony Bennett. Ritz says she is against public money going to private schools through a voucher system, while Dr. Bennett is running on a campaign of reform.
So we need to get away from that. We need to actually provide curriculum that's going to be rigorous and relevant to the kids in school. We need to get more career and tech opportunities for students. We need to clear the barriers to making sure kids are successful when they leave high school.
We've been very bold over the last 4 years, and we continue to be bold.
Now, Bennett also says one of those bold moves was the takeover of 4 F-rated schools in Indianapolis. With several exciting races, you know Fox 59 is teaming up with Three Wise Men in Broad Ripple. If you haven't heard, this is the election night watch party to be at. We are going to be there live tomorrow night. We want to hear from you, so hopefully you'll come out and join us starting at 7 p.m. We want to hear what you think about the races, all the results.